Imagine money as a road. In the financial world, we all know that road is covered in toll booths. There's a booth for your bank, another for the broker, one for the payment processor. They are the gatekeepers. They decide who gets to pass, how fast you can go, and exactly how much it's going to cost you for the privilege.
Hey, I'm Norman, and this is The Breakdown, where we take complicated ideas, break them down step by step, and explain them in a way that actually sticks. If there's something you've been curious about, drop it in the comments. We build these videos directly from your questions. Now, let's get back to it.
It's a system of permission where you have to ask to use your own money in certain ways. Now, imagine that same road, but the toll booths are just gone. The road is open. That's the basic idea behind decentralized finance or DeFi. It's a parallel financial system being built on blockchain technology that aims to remove the middlemen. It's finance without the banks, without the brokers operating on a global open network. So how does it work without a bank manager or a person approving transactions? Think of a vending machine. It's a perfect real world example. You walk up, you see the rules displayed on the glass. If you put in $2, then a bag of chips will come out. There's no cashier to persuade, no permission to ask. You provide the input, the machine executes a preset rule and provides the output. DeFi runs on this same logic using something called smart contracts. They're just like that vending machine. Programs that run automatically with a simple logic. If this, then that. If you meet the conditions, the contract executes. No bias, no waiting for someone's approval, just rules. Let's make it concrete. Think about getting a loan. The traditional way involves filling out stacks of forms, proving your income, waiting for a credit check, and then hoping a loan officer approves you days or even weeks later. It's a process of judgment and waiting. In DeFi, the process is automatic. Instead of asking for permission, you interact with a smart contract. You lock up some crypto assets as collateral into the system. The if this part, and you instantly receive a loan. The then that part. No paperwork, no waiting, no one to say no. This fundamentally changes your relationship with your money. In the old world, the bank holds your funds. In DeFi, your digital wallet is your bank. You are in complete control. You hold the cryptographic keys, which means only you can access and move your assets. It's a profound shift from trusting an institution to trusting yourself in transparent code. And from your own wallet, a whole world of financial activity opens up. You can lend your assets and earn interest on them. You can borrow against what you own. You can trade assets with anyone in the world directly from your wallet. You can find ways to earn yield that simply don't exist in the traditional system. But how can you trust a system with no one in charge? The trust comes from radical transparency. Everything runs on a public blockchain, which is like a giant global spreadsheet that everyone can see, but no single person can change. Every transaction, every loan, every trade is recorded and is verifiable by anyone. There are no hidden ledgers or secret backroom deals. The rules are open for all to inspect. Of course, this new level of freedom comes with a very real trade-off: responsibility. In this world, there is no customer support desk to call if you make a mistake. There's no 1-800 number to reset your password. If you send money to the wrong address, it's gone forever. If you lose the keys to your wallet, your money is inaccessible. DeFi gives you control, but it demands you pay attention. Ultimately, this isn't just about building a slightly better bank. It's about proving that finance can work on a different foundation altogether. It's a shift from a system based on permission from people and institutions to one based on rules written in code. Code replaces the gatekeeper. What you're left with is finance on an open road. And once you truly see what that road looks like, without the gates, the fees, and the waiting, it becomes very, very hard to unsee it. And that's the breakdown. If this made sense, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown. And leave a comment with what you want explained next. Because we don't guess topics here, we pull them straight from what you want to learn.